Welcome! In this video, we're going to walk through how to change your channel name on Telegram Web using your PC. If you're managing a Telegram channel and want to refresh your brand or simply update your channel's identity, this quick tutorial will help you do that in just a few simple steps. First, open Telegram Web on your computer. You can do this by visiting the Telegram website and logging into your account. Once you're in, head straight to the channel you want to update. You'll see your list of chats and channels on the left side of the screen, so just select the one you want to edit. After you've opened your channel, look at the top left corner of the page. You'll notice 3 horizontal lines. This is the main menu button. Click on those 3 lines to open up more options. A side menu will slide out, showing several settings and features. Now find and click on Edit. This will take you to the editing section of your channel. Here you'll see different fields you can update, such as your channel photo, description, and of course the channel name. To change your channel name, simply click inside the name box, delete the old name, and type your new one. Make sure your new channel name represents your content or community well. It's how people will recognize and remember your channel. Once you've entered the new name, look for the tick icon, usually located at the top right of the edit section. Click that tick to save your changes. Telegram will instantly update your channel name and it'll appear across all devices for your subscribers and members.